In this short tutorial, I will show you how to convert a video to an audio file on your iPhone. This process is simple and can come in handy when you want to listen to the audio from a video without watching the video itself. To get started, open up the Apple App Store and download and install the Shortcuts app on your device. Then open it. What you want to do next is tap on the plus button at the top right corner of the screen to create a new shortcut. Then tap here and tap on the rename option. Then type in a name for your shortcut. Tap Done. Next, tap on this button at the bottom center of the screen. Then toggle on the switch next to the Show in Share Sheet option. Tap Done. What you want to do next is tap here. And then tap Clear at the top left. Now you want to select what this is receiving. Simply toggle on the switch next to the Media option. Tap Done to exit this. Now you want to select an action. To do that, tap on the Add Action button. Then tap on the search bar at the top and search for Encode. Select the Encode Media option from the search results. Then tap on this little button and toggle on the switch next to the Audio Only option. You can also change the format if you want. Then you need to add another action. To do that, tap on the search bar at the bottom and search for Save. Select the Save File option from the search results. Tap Done at the top right corner of the screen to finish the process. You've successfully created the shortcut, so let me show you how you can use it to extract audio from any video on your device. Exit the Shortcuts app and open up the Photos app, then find the video that you want to convert to an audio file. Then tap on the Share button at the bottom left. Then bring this up, find and tap on the shortcut that we just created. Then select where you want to save your audio file. Tap Open. Now you can open up the Files app on your device and go to where you saved the audio file. As you can see, this is the audio file, and I can listen to it, share it, and do whatever I want with it. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.